In April 1923, the Fokker T-2 left its hangar with the objective of beating the world distance record in an uninterrupted flight from the east coast of the United States to San Diego on the west coast. The distance was more than 4,000 kilometers, which would be traveled in less than 27 hours at a speed of 80 knots. Several supplementary fuel tanks were installed to increase the plane's independence and overcome the failures of previous attempts. The problem was whether the plane could take off with such a heavy load. With great difficulties, they managed to reach the arranged height and carry out the journey. The arrival of Lieutenants John McCramey and Oakley Kelly in San Diego was considered a great feat, celebrated by thousands of followers.